Have you ever clicked on an ad, a social media post, or a link in an email? Instead of going to a full website, you landed on a single page focused on one specific offer. That's called a landing page. A landing page is a standalone web page designed for one purpose. That purpose could be collecting leads, generating sales, getting signups, booking appointments, or encouraging visitors to take a specific action. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and simple strategies. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get special offers on the tools that I mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount that will be applied automatically. Now, let's learn how landing page actually work. Let's start with the basic. Think of a normal website like a shopping mall. Visitors can go in many different directions. They can visit different pages, click different menus, and explore many options. A landing page is different. A landing page is more like a single store with one clear goal. There are fewer distractions and visitors are guided toward one action. This focused approach is the reason landing pages often convert better than regular web pages. So, how does a landing page work? The process is actually very simple. A visitor clicks on an advertisement, social media post, email link, or search result. They arrive on a landing page. The page presents an offer. The visitor decides whether to take action. If they complete the action, they become a lead or customer. That's the basic landing page journey. Now, let's take a look at the main part of a landing page. The first thing visitors see is the headline. A good headline immediately explains the main benefit of the offer. Visitors should understand within a few seconds what the page is about and why they should care. Below the headline, you will usually find supporting information. This section explains the offer in more detail and helps build trust. Many landing pages also include images, videos, or product screenshots. These visual elements help visitors to better understand the product or service. Another important action is social proof. This can include customer reviews, testimonials, ratings, case studies, or client logos. Social proof helps build trust because visitors can see that other people have already benefited from the offer. Next comes to the call to action. This is usually a button that encourages visitors to take the next step. It might say start free trial, download now, book a demo, get started, or buy now. The call to action is the most important element because it is where conversions happen. You may be wondering why businesses use landing pages instead of sending visitors directly to their website. The answer is simple. Landing pages remove the distractions. Instead of showing visitors dozens of options, a landing page focuses on a single goal. This often increases conversion rates because visitors are less likely to get distracted and leave. Landing pages are commonly used for lead generation campaigns, product launches, webinar registrations, newsletter sign up, free downloads, online courses, software trials, and sales promotions. Today, creating a landing page is easier than ever. Tools like Unbounce, Lead Pages, Card, Wix, and many other page builders allow beginners to create professional landing pages without writing any code. The most successful landing pages usually have a clear headline, a strong offer, trust building elements, social proof, clear call to action, and minimal distractions. They focus on solving problem and guiding visitors toward one decision. So whenever you see a page that is designed to get you to sign up, download something, book a call, or make a purchase, there is a good chance you are looking a landing page. So that brings us to the end of this video. Now you know what a landing page is, why businesses use them, and how they help convert visitors into leads and customers. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for useful tools and resources. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.